Fight number 4 sa high school girls. Mary Rashilda of Colegio, Blue Armor versus Rosary Ann Sedalia of DYSD.
Uy, ako nasunod dyan. Hawaka mo to, hawaka mo to. Ako nasunod dyan.
Fight number 4, Mary Rashilda of Colegio, Blue Armor versus Rosary Ann Sedalia of DYSD, Red Armor.
Ay, shit, nananig. Video ba to?
Oo.
Fight number 5, high school girls. Kyla May Samson of Colegio, Blue Armor versus Nicole Ann
Hindi ko alam para to
Menzo,
saan ba to iniisip.
Red Armor.